Hi guys, today is day 20 of December and we're on the last train car. Last episode we opened this. And let's see what's in here. I think the Christmas tree is gonna be last. I think this is the train. Oh, actually, the thing that I thought was gonna be last was today. The Christmas tree. I think, yeah, we already got a tree. Yeah, it doesn't really, yeah. But this tree looks like you have to do something with it. Wherever. We'll figure out what you do this tree for. But let's see what's in here. Where's day 20? Every day just found day 20. As I was saying, every day gets harder to find. Wow! What is this? What is this? Are you okay? Okay. This. May you open it? After years of trying to open this bag out scissors, at least a year. We finally did it. I'm glad that these sticks, see, like it sticks. Sticks. Magic. That no one knows how it's doing it. Just magic. No one knows how this magic is. Really, nothing's behind it. Nothing's beside it. Nothing is near it. But I wonder what this truck is. Once we get it built, I must know what it is. I must know what it is. This is, I think it's a tow truck. Something like that. And also, subscribe, or then Santa Claus won't bring you presents this year. He won't bring you anything. Not even coal. He won't bring you anything. Not even coal. He won't even bring you coal. So you better subscribe, or then you won't get anything. Christmas not even coal. Like seriously, you won't get anything for Christmas. I talked to Santa Claus, and he says you have to subscribe. I got it. Okay. Done with this truck. Now let's see what this truck is. It's a weird truck, isn't it? What is it? What is this? What is this? Is it a half of a car? Did they cut the car? Whatever. Well, that's day 20 of December. Bye. Woof woof.